PDA Parts presents the Samsung Blackjack i607 take-apart directions. Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc. Turn the unit over and remove the battery door and the battery. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, you will see 6 small screws that need to be removed. Using a case opener tool, run it along the edge of the case to separate the bottom from the top. Careful, there is still a ribbon attached to the motherboard holding the back case on. You'll need to pop the ribbon up or the connector up in order to remove it. There are 2 screws that need to be removed. With the 2 screws removed, you'll now need to remove the 2 connectors. The first one will pop up, the second one will slide out. You'll now be able to remove the motherboard and frame and button board from the front bezel. Turn the bezel over, and now you'll be able to remove the LCD. One of the connectors is inner wound through the frame, so be careful, it will need to slide through. You're now going to remove 4 screws to remove the dial. With the 4 screws removed, pop off the connector and the dial comes off. There is double-sided tape holding on 2 connectors. Just pull them up but leave them connected to the motherboard. Pop the small little tab on the connector. This will allow the ribbon to come out. On the other side of the motherboard, you will need to disconnect or pull up the antenna connection. For all your PDA and smartphone accessory needs, please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com.